All right, come on, come on. Look at this thing. Look at this. Is that the coolest thing ever? Watch this, ready? Backflip. Check it out, guys. This is the Lego adapter for your Tello, and this allows you to put Legos on the top of your Tello and fly it around. Now, I don't know about you, but that just makes it sound super cool to fly your drone around with Legos. I think when I got my Phantom and my Mavic, I actually did some photos of like putting Legos on top of them. So here is what comes in the box, and it is literally just this little piece right here. There's a little arrow here up top pointing in the direction of putting it on your Tello. So all you have to do is grab the Tello and point that forward, and then all you do is clip this down, and there it is. Simple as that. The most simplest thing I've seen, but definitely one of the coolest pieces of accessories I've seen for the Tello, of course, since the remote control. Grab your favorite Lego, and you really have your Stormtrooper on your drone. Now that we got the Stormtrooper on there, let's take him up in the air and see how he does after we do some flips. Let's see if this guy can stay on. Slide, let's see if it's stable enough. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that, dude. That is awesome. How cool is that? All right, that just makes the Tello worth it right there. Check that out. It is just chilling. Let's see if it'll do a flip with the guy on it. Here we go. Flip. Here we go. Let's see. Let's do a front flip. Can you see it? Oh yeah. He stayed on, look. Look at that. That's so cool. Here, let's try it again. Let's do another one. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Look at that, dude. That is the coolest thing ever. Look at this dude. All right, that is the coolest product I think you just have to have. Maybe we're doing a little 360 here. Check out Batman. After flying it for a few batteries, I didn't really see much of a change as far as the flight capabilities go. It seemed like everything was fine. If it did shift a little bit, of course the Tello would just readjust, so I didn't even see that there was any issues with taking off, flipping, or anything like that. The Tello pretty much performed how it did even without it, so I think it's pretty light, and I don't think it affected it too much. There you go, Benny made it home safely. Check it out, it's the Tello adapter for Lego toys from PGY Tech. I will make sure this is linked down below in the description. And of course, if you guys got some value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Ultra Stasio with flightpath.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.